Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on vibration for messages on iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max, 17 Air. Doesn't matter which 17 you have, it will work on all of them. So let's get started. First, go to Settings. In here, find an option called Sounds and Haptics. Tap on it, and in here you will see haptics. You can have always play in solid mode, or don't play in solid mode. You can enable it from here. Or if you want to go specific, go to Text On. So tap on haptics if you want to have the default one. That's the one. If you have another kind of vibrations for that, you can select whichever you want. Just, you can't hear it now, but I can feel it. Or you can create your own vibration here actually, the way you want it, and stop it, and it will save it there. And that's how you can just add a vibration to your messages. There are many ringtones as well. You can select ringtones here as well. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can set up vibration or for messages on iPhone 17. Please like and subscribe.